Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Robinhood account. I'll be walking through this on the mobile app. Before we start, you need to close all your positions and withdraw all your cash. First, tap Portfolio at the bottom of the screen. Select the position you want to sell, then tap Trade, then Sell. Choose whether you're selling by shares or dollar amount. Pick your order type, market, limit, or stop set the quantity. Then tap Review and Submit. You'll need to repeat this for each position. There's no single sell all button. Once you've submitted, check your orders or history screen to confirm the trades have filled. Stocks settle on T+1, which means if you sell on Monday, the cash becomes withdrawable on Tuesday. Next, you need to withdraw all your funds. Tap the account icon in the bottom right, that's the person icon. Select Transfers, then choose Transfer to your bank. Select Transfer from Robinhood to your linked bank, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it matches your withdrawable cash balance. You'll see that amount displayed in the transfer screen. Choose between instant withdrawal or ACH transfer. Instant arrives within minutes, but has a small fee. Standard ACH is free, but takes up to 5 business days. Review and confirm the transfer. You'll see a transfer confirmation once it's submitted. Once your balance is zero, tap the account icon again. In the app, select Menu, that's the 3 bars. Select Settings, scroll down until you see Deactivate Account and tap it. You'll see a list of your accounts, individual, investing, joint, IRA, whichever you have. Select the account you want to deactivate. Follow the on-screen instructions to close out anything outstanding. Confirm you have a $0 balance, then confirm your deactivation request. The request is now submitted. You'll get an email within 5 to 7 days confirming your account closure. A few things to know. Your account records stay available even after deactivation. You can still access statements, tax documents, and trade confirmations in the app. If you're deactivating your primary investing account, be aware you can only reactivate that first account. If you deactivate it, you'll lose IPO access and won't be able to trade futures or crypto if you reactivate later. And if you'd rather transfer your holdings to another brokerage instead of selling, you can request an ACATS transfer. If you transfer everything out, Robinhood will automatically close your account. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.